Very, very good evening, friends. Beside Rahul Magan here as a Group Chief Executive Officer, Treasury Consulting, and also a venture capitalist. As we speak, Treasury Consulting Group is a multinational headquartered group based out India, Singapore, and Hong Kong. More importantly, we are holding our offices in three parts of the globe, and we do hold our prop hedge fund, our learning platforms, our learning academy, which is Sheetalam, and apart from that we hold many new products. If you wish to have more information, you can definitely WhatsApp me, which is +919899242978. Alternatively, you can WhatsApp on our back office number, which is +919818485155. 2008 financial crisis not yet resolved. This is what all intelligent people are talking about. Yes, theoretically speaking, 2008 financial crisis is resolved, done and dusted. Now, how it is resolved? Central bank pumped a huge amount of money, and as we speak, on 12th July 2021, the top four central banks of the globe, Federal Reserve, European Central Bank, Bank of Japan, and People Bank of China, they together hold around $30 trillion worth of balance sheet. Guys, $30 trillion worth of balance sheet. I repeat, top four central banks, which include Federal Reserve, European Central Bank, Bank of Japan, and People Bank of China. Together they hold around 30 trillion worth of balance sheet, which precisely means it is 1.5 times of US GDP, around 2.5 to 3 times of Chinese GDP, around 5 to 6 times of Japanese GDP. If I compare this with the United Kingdom GDP, then it is around 7 to 8 times. And guys, these are only four central banks, top four. As we speak, on 12th July 2021, when the whole world is talking about artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data, all these bloody nonsense words, we do not have a single report on the Google who can confirm the actual debt held by the all central banks of the globe. As we speak, and there are many articles on the Google who does confirm that the world do have around 206 to around 210 countries of the globe. It means we have around, say precisely speaking, 200 central banks of the globe, because some countries are actually amalgamated also. Or take it 190. Do we have a single report on Google who confirm that the total 190 central banks of the globe, this hold this much balance sheet? I don't think we do have, because I spare a huge amount of time on Google every day. I never got to know, and you know I'm ex-corporate treasurer, so we get bank reports also. So 2008 financial crisis is done and dusted in books, but practically it is still there. Today, in fact, from the last few days, European Central Bank again and again confirming that exit strategy is not what we should talk about now. Rather, we should talk hold on. While Federal Reserve is consistently speaking hawkish, and the other agency of US, which is CDC, the agency which manages the diseases, they consistently speaking that Delta virus is growing in the US. Even in fact, less than 24 hours ago, the medical advisor to the president, Dr. Fauci, the face of White House, he also agreed that Delta is a cause of concern now. More than 50% cases worldwide is of Delta. In US is of Delta. And this is, I'm not saying that, this is CDC who is saying that. You can check on the Google. As we speak, There is definitely a mess in Australia, no doubt about that. As we speak, there is a mess in Israel. We unfortunately a big mess we are having in Indonesia. We have mess in Taiwan, Vietnam, and there are many countries of the globe, Russia and all. Though I can South Africa, I cannot name all of them. Because as per World Health Organization latest statistics, around 100 countries of the globe, which is precisely 50% of the whole population, is covered under Delta variant, which means that around 206 to 210 countries of the globe. As we speak, the World Health Organization confirmed that we are having Delta in around 100 countries, which means around 50% of the countries of the globe are having Delta variant. This is really a very dangerous thing. But if we speak about commodities, if we link this with commodities, then we are getting a complete different picture. Opposite picture, like this is head, this is tail. This is head, this is tail. What I talked about as of now, it is head. Commodities is completely tail. As we speak, gold is completely unconcerned about anything in happening in Corona. Australia is in lockdown, go to hell. Israel is in lockdown, who cares? Russia is facing mess, who cares? South Africa is facing big mess, who cares? Indonesia is on the reels, I don't bother. 50% plus cases in the US is of Delta, go to hell. I am completely unconcerned because to me, what matters is the Federal Reserve, because they said they're going to be hiking the rate. That's it. 15th June, when Federal Reserve said that they would be hiking the rate somewhere in 2023, and probably Mr. Powell is having a telescope to see what would happen in 2023. There were around 10% cases in the US that belongs to Delta. From 15th June till 10th July, around 1 month, this 10% is now 50%. And gold is completely unconcerned. Completely unconcerned. Rather, there are millions of articles which we have on the different FX websites who are giving their presumptions about the gold. And I don't want to demean, but you yourself check. Guys, we need to understand that in 2008 financial crisis, several movies were made. The Wolf of Wall Street, Insider Job, your Big Short, and several documentaries were also made. All these are available on different OTT platforms like Netflix, Amazon Prime, and XYZ. You yourself check. But the conclusion of all these documentaries, whether this is Wolf of Wall Street, Insider Job, my favorite Big Short, and my very favorite, my very favorite movie, The Margin Call, and all these, is that there is definitely a lobby in the system who do what they love to do, and they are completely outside the radar of most of the people. Like as we speak, this lobby really not interested the gold should go 1850 or probably to go to 1900. I know as we speak on 12th July, this lobby cannot stop gold from 1900 for long. Probably they will try for another 1 month, they try for maximum 2 months. But we all know, and many scientists of the globe in the public domain said that we are heading towards a big mess. And guys, just take and understand. I'm not demeaning any vaccine. I'm not a medical professional. I'm not demeaning any vaccine. So XYZ company made XYZ vaccine, which XYZ country is using. XYZ country made XYZ vaccine, which XYZ, that local residents are using. Okay, plus minus, check on Google. But there is a big time bomb which is ticking, which is natural disasters. Incessant rain in China, different kind of flus coming across the globe, floods are coming in different parts of the globe. And today I read something which pushed me literally pushed me to think that there is no height of idiocy, and that is somewhere in the world there is a glacier. Well, the world having many glaciers, and people are covering this glacier with cloth so that it can stop melting. Practically speaking, this is a good gesture, no doubt about it. Well, when it comes to gesture, I give 10 out of 10. But but if you look at the market, trillions of dollars worth is lying on ESG, environmental, social governance. Several mutual funds also raised billions in ESG. Where the hell is this money if I am going to be covering the glaciers with a cloth? Venture capitalist and private equity valuation model. You know how accurate was this model? Remember 100 billion valuation of Uber? Then come SPAC. Oh my god. SPAC. You know how it fared up? And now come ESG, environmental social governance. You today open any magazine of the world, any magazine, whether this is published in Asia, this is published in Europe, this is published in US, bloody hell, a lot of talk on the ESG. But how exactly ESG is actually helping them? Guys, for corona we have a vaccine. We shouldn't talk whether this vaccine is effective or not, or do we need a booster. That's a separate thing. Forget this. For corona, we do hold a vaccine. But for natural disasters, we do not hold any vaccine. Neither the top scientist of the globe, the person you are looking at the back, the top one, Mr. Jobs, you have saw this in every video. Even if he will come back, he might not be able to make a vaccine for natural disasters, because we cannot make a vaccine for natural disaster. Did we ever thought that what would happen when these natural disasters actually cross their limit? Sea snot in Turkey, glaciers melting in Arctic, melting started in the last eye resort, incessant rains in different parts of the globe, flooding in different parts of the globe, swine flu, and whatnot. More than corona, this is an issue. Corona is definitely an issue. There is no doubt about that. And my personal presumption is corona is here to stay. No matter what, because I'm saying from last 1 year, vaccinating the whole globe with around 7 billion population. 7 billion population, guys, is not an easy job. It looks very easy, but it is not an easy job. And more importantly, when after every 15-20 days there is a different variant that is coming. Do you know, guys, on 12th July, as we speak, the world started talking about ellipson. Don't talk about alpha. Don't talk about beta. Don't talk about gamma. Don't talk about delta. Don't talk about delta plus. Don't talk about lambda. Let's start ellipson. There is definitely a very active community we have in the world who is strategically looking at these things. I have no disregard, and they are doing a good job. Bloody hell, the delta has not yet resolved, and the world forced to talk about ellipson. But all these things which are actually happening in the system, the gold, the base metals, the currencies are completely unconcerned. Completely unconcerned. It's like a kid is getting failed in every exam, and the parents are saying, do we bother? You are getting failed. We are not bothered. And this is what it is happening. Guys, it's around 10:30 in Singapore. Sharp 10 p.m. 10:30 p.m. in Singapore. Sharp 10. Gold went to 1791, and as we speak, it is 1805. I know that in 2008, if somebody made a video that the LIBOR is getting rigged, people would have laughed at that person. But today we knew that LIBOR is rigged, and we have different benchmarks like SOFR, Cora, Saturn, and all. After margin call, people realized that how fairly Lehman treated the derivatives. Probably in 2025-26, the people would get to know how gold was manipulated in 2020 and 21. I just conclude my video with a line that the mess which is happening across the globe in the form of corona, officially speaking, 4 million plus people lost their life, officially speaking, and I spend almost 1.5 hour every day on doing research on corona on Google. Many countries of the globe talked about their local governments. I'm not quoting any name. That guys, the number which you are quoting is actually not correct. But officially speaking, 4 million people lost their lives. Several countries of the globe are in lockdown. Don't talk. Several hundreds startups closed. Millions of jobs lost. Trillions of business is actually zero. Don't talk about aviation, hotel, hospitality, that is separate. In a world of fundamentals, the gold should have been more than 2000, and base metal should be half of what they are today. And don't think it will never happen. Don't think it will never happen. It would happen, because the lobby which is there in the system, this lobby is understanding that this is bound to happen. But majority of the retail investors do not know that when this would happen, what would be their portfolio. This is Rahul from Trishi Consulting Group. You know my personal number, which is +91 9899 242 978. Have a good time.